In my video tutorial, I will provide you with help to remove the malicious pop-ups by the site rubcrest.co.in. This is a dangerous website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The real purpose of this pop-up is to make people basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions. If you see these pop-ups by rubcrest.co.in, you need to disregard whatever they tell you. They are fake and deceptive, so don't install what these pop-ups promote. Access the menu of your browser, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then if you find anything suspicious here, get rid of it. Now, I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the site combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, I recommend that you investigate your system in order to effectively detect and eliminate other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.